Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Classification of data. Process of arranging data, the basis of characteristic under consideration into a number of groups or classes according to the similarities of the observations is called classification of data. Objectives of classification of data. It puts the data in a precise and summarized form. It makes comparison possible between various characteristics. Time series data. When the data are classified in respect of successive time points or intervals, they are termed as time series data. For example, the number of students appeared for ICA final for 10 years, the production of a factory per year from 95 to 2015, etc. are samples of time series data. Geographical data. Data arranged region-wise are known as geographical data. For example, students appeared for CA final in the year 2015 in accordance with different states. Then we come across geographical data. Qualitative and quantitative data. Data classified in respect of an attribute may be classified as quantitative and qualitative data. Qualitative data. Data on nationality, gender, habit of a group of individuals are example of qualitative data. Quantitative data. Data are classified in respect of a variable, say age, weight, profits, wages, etc. are called quantitative data. Frequency and non-frequency data. Data may be classified as frequency and non-frequency. Frequency data, the qualitative as well as quantitative data belong to the frequency group. Non-frequency data, time series data and geographical data belong to non-frequency group. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.